Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about when less detail create more impact. Many artists, especially beginners, believe that adding more details will make a painting better. They paint every leaf, every break, every window and every shadow. But as we gain experience, we discover that a successful painting is not always the one with the most detail. Sometimes the simple painting create the strong impression. In watercolor, less can truly be more. Our goal is not to copy every small details. Our goal is to capture the feeling of a place, the beauty of light, and the mood of the scene. If we paint every detail, the viewer may not know where to look. But when we simplify the scene, the main subject becomes much stronger. One way to do this is by choosing a clear focal point. Add more detail where you want the viewer eye to stop, and keep the rest area of the painting simple. This creates balance and help tell the story. Soft edges, simple shapes, and quiet background areas allow the focal point to stand out naturally. It is also important to trust the viewer. We do not have to explain everything with our brush. A few well-placed brushstrokes can suggest a tree, a boat, a group of people. The viewer imagination complete the rest. This makes the painting more interesting because everyone see it a little differently. Think about looking at a landscape on a misty morning. We cannot see every detail, but we still feel the beauty of the scene. Watercolor is perfect for creating this feeling. Its transparent wash, soft edges, and flowing colors help us suggest rather than describe. Learning to leave out details take confidence. It is easy to keep adding more paint, but it is much harder to stop at the right moment. Many paintings lose their freshness because we continue working after they are already finished. Knowing when to stop is an important skill for every artist. One good exercise is to paint the same subject twice. In the first painting, include many details. In the second, use only the most important shapes, values, and colors. Then compare the two. You may find that the simpler painting has more energy and a stronger impact. As artists, we should always ask ourselves, is this detail really necessary? If it does not help the story or improve the composition, perhaps it is better to leave it out. In the end, great watercolor is not about painting everything. It is about painting the right things, simple shapes, confident brushstrokes, and carefully choose detail. Often create paintings that stay in the viewer mind for a long time. So next time you paint, do not try to include every little details. Focus on the feeling, the light, and the story. Sometimes less detail creates the great impact. Thank you very much and happy painting.